Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to apply for a PayPal credit card and why it might be a great option if you are already using PayPal. So let's dive right in. Before we get into the application process, let's quickly cover what a PayPal credit card actually is. It's essentially a reloadable credit line linked directly to your PayPal account. It allows you to buy now and pay later even if your PayPal balance is low. You can use it at millions of online stores that accept PayPal, making it super versatile. One of the key perks is no interest on purchases of $99 or more as long as you pay it off within 6 months and make the minimum payments. But keep in mind, it has a relatively high interest rate, 25.99%, so you want to be cautious about carrying a balance. Now, how to apply for a PayPal credit card? First, make sure you have a PayPal account. You'll need an active PayPal account as the credit line is directly tied to it. If you don't have one yet, sign up on paypal.com or through the PayPal app. Go to PayPal credit section of the website or app, click apply now and you will be taken to a short online application form. Provide some basic personal information including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. You'll also need to share your annual income as this helps determine your credit limit. Once you submit the form, PayPal will run a quick credit check. You should receive an instant decision based on your credit history. If approved, your new PayPal credit line will be automatically linked to your PayPal account. You don't have to wait for a physical card. It will show up as a payment option the next time you check out with PayPal. While the convenience is great, remember that the interest rate is quite high, so it's best to pay off your balance as quickly as possible to avoid extra costs. And that's it. You are now all set to apply for a PayPal credit card. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick finance tips.